Okay, second number 58. All right, so we'll solve these individually, and then solve and give the solution, okay. If you put it on a number line, it's and, it's what they have in common, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that would just be everything in between, right? Because it's less than the 3 and greater than the 1. So it would just be right there. Fit? Yes? I made a mistake and y'all found it or something?
I thought when you divided by negative numbers.
Yeah, you
I was just
split.
like,
Yeah, you were correct. Yes, okay, good.
Uh-oh, YouTube's gonna see you.
Greater than, less than or equal to, right? Okay, so if you put this on a number line, it's less than the 1 and less than the 3. So since it's and, it's what they have in common. So it would just be that part. Everybody okay with that? So if we put that in a notation, it'd be from negative infinity all the way up to 1, including the 1.
Why wouldn't you put the 3?
The 3 would start here and go that way also, right?
Yeah.
So which part would they have in common?
Oh,
It would just be this part over here, wouldn't it?
yeah.
Yes.
So whenever you're doing or, it wants all the answers. Whenever you're doing and, it just the answers that they have in common.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes. Any other questions on this one? Okay, cool. 59. All right, compound inequality, we got to keep the x in the middle. So we'll minus 3 to all 3 sections of it. And then we'll divide everything by negative 5. Can't fool me twice. Right? So basically x is in between 2 and negative 1. Greater than the negative 1, but it's less than the 2. So it's everything in between. Or it's negative 1 to 2, including both. Questions? Yes?
It says solve in the graph.
Solve and graph. We solved it and then we
but
graphed
that
it.
was graph.
Okay on this one? Alright, 60. Which is the equation for the line in slope-intercept form that goes through the points? Alright, so I got 2 points. What am I missing before I can write the equation?
Slope.
Slope.
I was trying to see how much was left.
Slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So that's going to give us negative 5 minus 3 all over 5 minus 9. Negative 8 over negative 4, 2 is our slope. So now we have a slope and a point. So I'll start with point slope form. So I've got y minus 3 equals 2 times x minus 9. And they want it in slope-intercept form. So I need to distribute. And add the 3 over. Yes.
Do we get like a reference sheet or anything?
For what?
Like the formulas?
No. Honors class. I don't need a reference sheet.
Oh. Are you being serious?
Yeah. Like what formulas?
I don't know.
This is in geometry.
I think I've said this before. If you write the formulas out every time you practice a problem, then you won't have to spend any time memorizing it. All right, number 61. All right, the absolute value is isolated on the left. We'll stop after this one. So now we've got to make the 2 equations. First equation is the exact same. We've got the absolute value. The second equation, the left-hand side is going to stay the same, 4x minus 8. And then you're going to take the opposite of the right-hand side. So it'll be a negative 6 plus 3x. Solve them individually. Or what's going on here? Plus 8. X equals 2. All right. Whenever there's a variable on the right-hand side for absolute value equations or just equations, it's a good idea to check your answer. Okay. Over here we'll get what? 6 minus 6. We'll get 0 over here. If we plug in 2. Here we'll get 0. So it's going to work. So x equals 2 is your answer. Once again, if there's a variable on the right-hand side, when you're doing absolute value equations, it's a good idea to check your answers. Any questions on 61?